तरसे हो राम, मन प्यासा काहे तरसे हो राम, हो जी हो जी हो.
Hello, finally! Can you close the door, please?
Yes.
Are you ready?
Yes. Question.
So,
but question
First of all, I would like to ask you to go back a little bit. Do you remember the first time that you arrived here to iTeach?
In iTeach, first time we have downstairs the gate was locked and we were not able to come upstairs in the school. So we have to break the lock and come to school. So it was the biggest incident for first day. So we were not have keys for downstairs lock. So we have to break that lock and come to school.
Were you with your friends, like
Yes.
with other students?
Yes, everyone was there and new teachers were there, new friends were there. From other schools there were more friends, so I was very interested to meet them. And that incident happened. We were laughing that we were having a first day incident of locking a gate and we were blinking.
Well, the first time I came to this particular school, it was crazy. There was a lot of construction going on. We had a very small team to begin with. There were these excited students to find out who these new people are, why are they here, what do they want to do with us. And it was chaotic, but a good chaotic. It was chaotic where you feel peaceful.
मी जसं म्हटलं की सोशल फील्डमध्ये मी गेले खूप वर्ष काम करत होतेच म्हणजे पण मी ते मुलांना किंवा एज्युकेशन तर हा ऑप्शनच नव्हता माझ्यासाठी. आपण कोणाला तरी शिकवायचं असं तर हा ऑप्शन मी ठेवलेलाच नव्हता. अदरवाईज मी काही करायला तयार झालं असते.
पण समाजाच्या दृष्टीने काही करायचं असं
असं काही नव्हतं डोक्यात. असं काहीच नव्हतं. म्हणजे असं मग ते ऍक्सिडेंटली त्या फील्डमध्ये आले.
म्हणजे मी तशी आधी 1 वर्ष कंपनीत काम करायचे आणि त्याच्या आधीपासून पण बरेच म्हणजे जे काही वाचन केलं होतं त्याच्यामध्ये असं बरंचसं होतं की जे मुलांसोबत काम करणाऱ्या लोकांविषयी असेल की किंवा त्यांनी काय काम केलं त्यामुळे थोडंसं इन्स्पायर झाले होतेच. आणि खेळगाराबद्दल जेव्हा कळलं तेव्हा मग मी इथे एकदा येऊन गेले किंवा इथल्या मुलांचे वर्ग पण पाहिले. सो मला ते एक्सप्लोअर करून पाहायचं होतं की कशा पद्धतीनं असतं आणि एक वेगळा मार्ग होता. म्हणजे जे मी शिकले त्याचा भाग म्हणून मी आले.
तर हा पालक शिक्षक म्हणजे शाळा आणि पालक यांच्यामधला दुवा म्हणून काम करतं. म्हणजे ज्या शाळेमध्ये ज्या गोष्टी म्हणजे हे पूरक आहे एकमेकांसाठी. मला असं वाटतं की शाळेमधल्या ज्या मिसिंग लिंक्स आहेत तर त्या खेळघरामध्ये काही प्रमाणामध्ये आम्ही त्या पूर्ण करण्याचा प्रयत्न करतो.
पालक जे येतील ते आता ह्याच्यातच हातात असतो आणि तो फुलं कसं लावायचं कुठे लावायचं असतं.
खेळघरात आम्ही 1ली ते 10वी पर्यंतची मुलं येतात आणि ती सगळी मुलं शाळेत जाणारी आहेत. काही सरकारी शाळेत आणि काही खाजगी शाळांमध्ये जातात. सो काही मुलांची शाळा सकाळची असते 12 पर्यंत आणि काही मुलांची 12 ते 5 अशी संध्याकाळपर्यंत ती सुटतात. तर जी प्राथमिक गटातली आहेत म्हणजे 4थी पर्यंतची मुलं त्यांना आम्ही 2 ते 4 या वेळांमध्ये आम्ही खेळघर आनंद संकुल असं म्हणतो. सो तिथे ती मुलं येतात आणि प्रत्येक गटाला एक ताई असते जी त्यांना मग तिथे काही गोष्टी त्यांच्यासोबत घेते.
तर शिक्षक म्हणून न राहता आम्ही ताई म्हणतो. म्हणजे ते आम्हाला ताई म्हणतात. तर ताई हे एक नातं खूप चांगलं असतं. तर जरी मुलगे असतील तरी म्हणजे 8वी ते 10वीच्या याच्यामध्ये मुलगे शक्यतो खूप ओपनली बोलत नाही. पण माझ्या गटातल्या मुलांबरोबर मला असं कधी जाणवलं कुठलाही प्रश्न म्हणजे अगदी त्यांचे अफेअर्स असतील किंवा काही घरामध्ये काही झालेलं असेल तरी सुद्धा ते खूप मोकळेपणाने बोलू शकतात. तर ते वैयक्तिक संवाद खूप साधावा लागतो त्या मुलांबरोबर.
मी का पहिली खेळघर एक तर म्हणजे चांगलीच आहे ती. चांगलं शिकवलं जातं तिथं. खेळघर का मी सगळं काय करतो ओरिगमी करतो, चित्र काढतो.
आम्ही खेळमध्ये सण साजरे करतो. सगळे एकत्र कधी कधी पेरेंट्स मिटिंग पण असते, तेव्हा पण आम्ही पेरेंट्स सगळे पण साजरे करतो. आम्ही दिवाळी सण झालाच आहे, दिवाळी आणि दसऱ्याला भोंडला साजरा करतो. पण साजरा करतो. गणपतीमध्ये एक विषय निवडला जातो. आम्ही मागच्या वेळेस निवडलेला तो सर्व धर्म समभाव, म्हणजे सर्व म्हणजे धर्म एकच आहे.
What happened the day before yesterday?
So me and my friends celebrate Teachers' Day on 5th September. We had a great surprise for teachers. We write poetry and readers for teachers. Each teacher has each poetry, and I love that. And we make greetings for teachers. We organize the whole function. We make the stage and we sing poems. We sing songs for teachers. We do 2 or 3 skits regarding to teachers, that how they teach and how they explain us the lesson.
What do you want to become?
I want to become teachers because I have inspired from my teachers.
What kind of teacher?
Means I want to just join a IT school which will not for just money. I want to help a child which like us who are not able to pay the money and letting them new education, good education from myself, so I could give something to anyone, because our teacher says not it is important to take something from someone, it's important to give something.
शिक्षकाचा रोल खूप जास्त महत्त्वाचा असतो. आईपेक्षा पण त्या बाई मला खूप जास्त जवळच्या असायच्या. म्हणजे माझ्या बाबतीत असं होतं की मी घरी ऐकायचं नाही, तर माझी आई येऊन सांगायची की हिला सांगा, तुम्ही सांगितलं नाही प्रत्येक गोष्ट ती ऐकते. म्हणजे एवढं महत्त्वाचं असतं की मुलं त्या शिक्षकेला किंवा त्या बाईंना किंवा त्या टीचरला इतकं मानतात की ती जे सांगेल किंवा ते जे सांगतील ते योग्य आहे हे त्यांना अगदी असतं, जोपर्यंत एका म्हणजे प्रायमरी होईपर्यंत तरी, की बाई जे सांगतील ते बरोबर आहे. सो इतकं महत्त्वाचा रोल आहे की तुम्ही जे सांगा ते मुलं ऐकतायत किंवा त्यांना ते बरोबर वाटतं. सो आपल्याकडून योग्य गोष्टी जाणं शिक्षक म्हणून गरजेचं आहे. किंवा नॉट नेसेसरी की फक्त शाळेतल्या करिक्युलममधल्या, अगदी जाताना येतानाच्या, म्हणजे कुठेतरी बाहेर गेलो आणि मी शिक्षक म्हणून ते कशी वागते तसंच ते मुलं माझ्याकडे बघून करतील. जेव्हा त्या मुलाचं थोडंसं अजून बाकीच्या जगाकडे जास्त एक्सप्लोरेशन होईल तेव्हा मग ते शिक्षकाकडे एक व्यक्ती म्हणून पण पाहायला लागतील. पण तोपर्यंत त्यांना ते शिक्षक म्हणजे खूप भारी असं असतं.
What values do you teach, or do you teach teachers to teach?
Well, if you're asking the school values, then no.
I'm asking. Yeah, let's start with the school values.
Well, we have a lot of school values. We try to make sure that our students are empathetic, they achieve excellence in everything that they do. They are very prepared for every task that comes their way. So multiple values that we follow: preparedness, empathy, excellence. And our values are same for teachers and students, except the actions are different. For example, an empathy value would look, for a student it would look like if a student is eating alone, you go sit next to him and you accompany him. As opposed to, in case of a teacher, empathy would look like if you see a teacher struggling in a classroom, you walk into that classroom with the teacher and you help them. And there are many values that we want to teach our students, just to ensure that they are not machines once they go out of school, they are holistic individuals.
What values you think you bring home from school?
Empathy, preparedness. I am fully prepared in school, that I am prepared for my mom's work. I am so tired, but I go home. I am trying my best. I'm thinking that I am prepared from school and then go and do my mom's work.
So empathy which is grown in me since I have came into 9th standard, and also my thinking has grown a little bit to think deeper.
सो मी कंपॅशन मला वाटलं की घ्यावं, पण मग जेव्हा मी विचार करायला लागले की आता त्यांना काय घ्यावं, त्यांच्यासोबत काय घ्यावं कंपॅशनवर, सो मला तेव्हा खूप फ्रस्ट्रेट व्हायला झालं. कारण इतके प्रश्न, म्हणजे घरामध्ये आईवडिलांचं पटत नाही, मग दारू पिण्याचा असेल किंवा मारामारी असेल. सो ऑलरेडी ती मुलं या सगळ्यामध्ये असतात, तर त्यांना आपण अजून काय कंपॅशन शिकवणार ना, की शिकवणार म्हणजे कंपॅशनेट करणार कशासाठी. ॲक्च्युली आपण त्यांच्या बाबतीत कंपॅशनेट असायला हवं, बाकीच्या लोकांनी असायला हवं.
Now, if you were not here at school, where do you think you would be?
I think I help my mom or dad.
Do you think you learn anything at home?
Yes, there are things which I learn at home, which helping my mom, cooking food, because I can learn in this school also, but something which I taught it by my mother's mother, so she taught me, and this is process when we are starting our family also.
I learned so many things at home, like when I help my mom, she teach me how to cook and do work at home, and when I watch TV, I get to know about how the life is, how the people around us, like news, what is going on, and so many things. And sometimes when I read books also at home, so I also get to know some knowledge, and so it's different. I learn different things in different fields.
What about here at school? What kind of knowledge you gain at school? What do you learn?
Because our school is too much diverse, so like people from Rajasthan and people in some schools there are only Marathas. In mostly Urdu schools there are only Muslims majority. But in this school it is very diverse. Like here are some Rajasthani, some Muslims, some Hindus, some Marathas. So I get to know by their behavior. I get to know how they behave at their home, how their culture is.
I learned that how to behave with people, how to manage school, how to manage our juniors, how to speak with people, how to respect it, how to take care of our school property, our studies, and what is more important is how we are achieving our goal or not. So I learned this. When I come IT school, in PMC I didn't know what is goal, that's all. Then when I come to IT school, they teach us to how the goal are set and how we achieve that.
Why do you think that coming to school is important?
School is important in this life, because in this time there is so I can tell in Hindi.
Learn new things, to having a great person and having experience like you. When I am not, when we are not educated, how can we meet another people? How can we interaction another people who come from another country to our country?
For education there is, because education is the main thing in this life. Because of education we get employments. If we doesn't get education, we can do labor, and because of that our life is waste. And in future, if we when we married, our children also life is spoiled. So education is important.
I think school is whole my life. If I study in school, then I will reach everything what I want, and I will achieve everything what I want. From school only, if I learn in school, then I will reach college. If I reach college, then I will do my diploma and graduation, all that, and after that I will complete my studies and get a job and career. And after I getting a career, I will spend time with my family. In my family, I'll fulfill their dreams, and by fulfilling their dreams, I can easily teach my family what they didn't teach and their childhood. For example, my mom doesn't know how to speak English. She doesn't speak to you because she don't understand English also. But me, I'm educated. I'm educating now also, but I still speak you.
Honestly, for most of these students, they are first generation learners. And as first generation learners, the exposure is so low that they feel that even being a DJ is a good career option for them, which most of our students do think is a great career option, by the way. which is a great career option. However, it's not possible for all of them to become DJs in a society like ours. And education is required to go in any direction that they want and to achieve success. And the hope that we can really contribute to that education keeps me going, that tomorrow a child who wants to even become a cricketer will not become a cricketer just because he only played cricket and did not pass school. He would be a well-educated cricketer, a well-informed cricketer. It would be an informed choice. I want every child to make an informed choice of choosing a career instead of landing into one. You can tell me if you don't like the answer.
माझ्या दृष्टीनं शाळा हे अशी एक पहिली जागा आहे जिथं मी माझं कुटुंब सोडून एंटर करते एखाद्या नवीन ग्रुपमध्ये किंवा म्हणजे सोशल एक्सपोजर आहे ते पहिल्यांदा तरी माझ्या दृष्टीने की जिथं तुम्ही खूप वेगवेगळ्या लोकांसोबत म्हणजे माझ्यासोबतची वेगवेगळ्या घरातून आलेली वेगवेगळी मुलं असतील आणि तिथे मग मी ॲडजस्टमेंट शिकते, तिथं मग मी केअरिंग शिकते म्हणजे किंवा तिथं मी दुसऱ्याला मदत करणं शिकते. ते एक बिगर व्हर्जनचं स्मॉलर व्हर्जन वाटतं मला.
For you, what is school?
For me, school is temple.
My second mom, my best friend, and my sweet place where my tension is gone. A place where I feel calm, and it is a place where I feel happy. School is my life, and school is the path to go to my goal. So life path, and school is also my teacher.
This is temple because there is God means teacher who teaches. They give knowledge, like God give knowledge what to do and teachers give knowledge to how to learn. And student get knowledge. And temple means school. School is the place where we get knowledge.
What is school for you today?
School for me today is a safe place where every child loves to come, where every child feels like they belong, and where every child feels like they have someone they can speak with, someone they can share with, and someone who will help them grow to become something that they want to become. I think school was not my happy place because there were no happy kids in there. They thought they were happy kids, but they were just all angry at something, and they wanted some place to vent out, and well, surprisingly, I happened to be that place often.
Do you know what your students told me? Many of them this morning, besides using like similar adjectives, they also told me that school is a temple and teacher is a god, right? Which is one of your slogans.
Yeah.
How did you come to that slogan?
How did we come to that slogan? That school is a temple and teachers are gods? Should I be honest? I mean, we didn't teach it to them. This is something that comes with Indian culture. And it's been taught from generations. It's just reducing now a little, but most parents have always taught their children to respect their teachers more than anyone. Guru is above God for most people in India. And I think it's good that our students are still encompassing those values. It's good to know.
Ciao!
एखाद्याच्या आयुष्यात शाळेचं काय महत्त्व आहे किंवा शाळा काय रिप्रेझेंट करते तुमच्या दृष्टीने?
शाळा ही म्हणजे जिथं आपण लाईफमधला खूप भाग घालवतो, म्हणजे खूप वर्ष घालवतो, म्हणजे जवळपास 10-15 वर्ष आपण जर ॲज पर बघितलं तर 10-15 वर्ष आपण तिथे घालवतो. तर तिथे मला असं वाटतं की तो खूप महत्त्वाचा पार्ट आहे की जिथं मुलं चेंज होण्याची शक्यता जास्ती असते. तिथं जर आपण व्यवस्थित काम केलं म्हणजे आज मोठे माणसं
म्हणजे त्याच्या तुमचं आणि त्यांचं रिलेशन कसं आहे तुमचं?
घरचं नातच असेल तसंच सेम त्या मारत नाहीत थोडेफार.
My life is my school, and love is my school, and student, teachers, and everybody is my school.
When
I recently started my classes. New class, new teachers, new friends, and I'm excited for it. How I'm really going to be a singer or not. I'm so excited for it.
What is your favorite song?
It's in Hindi. Jhirmir Jhirmir Meha Barse. It's in Hindi.
Can you sing it a bit?
Okay. झिरमिर झिरमिर में हवा से हो